coat's in the gun and we're ready to go. So I apologize to those, the regulars who were watching one of the recent videos. It was Hyundai Tucson spray painting, and halfway through the video the camera decided to turn itself upside down. Now that will not be happening again. I finally figured out how to stop that from happening. There is actually a setting. It would like automatically turn itself upside down. It's like, so it's got, it must have a sensor in the camera, and maybe I've like gone and twisted the camera as I go to hit record, so it thinks that that's the way that it should be recording. But yeah, so I got rid of that. And also I found another setting on the camera. There's like a region setting, and for whatever reason it must have been set to America, where you guys over there in America, all of your electrical stuff runs on 60 hertz, whereas here we're on like 50 hertz. So that was partially why I was getting some flickering every now and then. So yeah, now I'm running at 50 FPS instead of 60 FPS, so we shouldn't get any flickering from the lights. Yeah, this is not really my clear gun. Only reason I'm using this gun is because the car's green. Why not? I'm a showman. I usually use my red Pro light for clear. Although lately I've been using my turquoise CGI Pro Gunman edition, but yeah, so this should be, what have I got in there? Actually, it might even be TE10. We'll have a look. I can't even remember what air cap's on there. Yeah, TE10. Yeah, I was right, because I've actually found that TE10 is the best air cap for Stando blue base coat. I just find, because it goes on a little bit finer, it doesn't put as much out as the TE20. I just find, for whatever reason, it just lays the metallics down a little bit nicer. That's why I've got the TE10 on my base coat gun. And most of the time for clear, I use the TE20. But as I say, like, it was just on here, so that's why I'm using it today. Just because it's green. Why not? Alright, let's just keep moving, man. It's nearly time for me to go home, and that's tacking off in no time. Bartender as always. Yeah, I'm actually hoping to bring my own Corolla in here again over Christmas, because there's a few parts that I want to spray on it, so I'll probably do a YouTube video or two on that. I don't know, I've just started noticing that like any bare plastic parts on cars, well actually I've known it for years, but yeah, all the bare plastic parts on the cars, they really just don't last and they fade really badly. So what I'm going to do is paint all the bare plastic parts on my car gloss black. So I'm going to do the wipers, the scuttle panels, there's a few little like bumper sections that I'm going to be doing, like lower bumper parts, and yeah, just a few parts here and there. I might actually even do the wheels black after spraying the roof black. I've been looking at my car a bit lately. I'm like, man, those wheels would look really good in black, I reckon. So I might even do that. Just whip them off. I might even just like put the car in the boot and then take the wheels off and then jack it up, and then yeah, who knows, we'll figure something out either way. looking good, man. Really nice flat finish. Look, to be truthful, guys, the TE10 does deliver a nicer, flatter finish than the TE20. But for daily insurance work, I still find the TE20 is the way to go. It's a bit faster, pumps a little bit more material on, gives that a little bit more of a factory orange peel. Now I find it probably uses a little bit less paint too. That's the TE20, so I should do like an updated video on all the air caps for the Velvet. That'd be actually a good video, to be honest. My main channel, the views have been dropping for a while now, and I don't know, maybe my videos are just getting a bit boring to people, but I still want to see the channel succeed and, you know, grow. So I guess the challenge is back on me. Like, yeah, I've got to make better videos. That's where it's at, man. You guys owe me nothing, mate. The viewer owes the content creator nothing. Well, and to be fair, like, the content creator doesn't really owe the viewer much either. Just gunny rambling, mate, talking shit while I'm spraying. Huh. We're getting low, so... Rightio guys, so that's it for this here job. Now the camera did actually die. I don't know how much of the clear coat stage we got. I thought 15% was going to be enough to get me through the clear coat stage, but obviously it was not. So I'm still continuing on and we'll do the ending. But yeah, man, this job came up killer. What a way to round out Monday, man. Loves that. It's actually really nice color. I can't remember the name of the color. I'll have to put it in the description of the video. It was like jungle green or something like that. Yeah, pretty damn cool color. And it came up really nice and clean, really nice tight finish in it. So TE10 1.3 was the air cap. Obviously use that for base coat and clear coat. Use the same gun because why not? It's the only, well, it's not the only green spray gun I've got. Actually, I've got that Lotus over there, but personally, I'd have to say I like this gun better. And that is the driver's side. Really nice and clean, man. There's barely anything to eat. I can barely even see any nibs in it. Really nice, tight orange peel. I'm probably going to use this air cap when I spray my own car next time. It really does deliver a nice flat finish. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the improved video quality. I'm rendering everything in 4K and recording everything in 4K as well. So yeah, that's about it for this job there, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching and have a good rest of your day. Until next time, get out there and paint some shit. Gunman out.